welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you some smoothies. First I'm gonna make breakfast smoothies, and these are my ingredients. As you can see, I have papaya, mango, banana, apple, pineapple. I have ginger, carrot. I have some greens over here, you see. And over here I have oatmeal. In my breakfast smoothie, I'm gonna put oatmeal, walnut, and I'm gonna do blueberry. This is the blueberry that I use. Organic blueberry. It's from Costco. Okay, so let's get started over here. I'm gonna add my blueberry. I'm gonna add some pineapple. I'm gonna add some banana. I'm gonna add some ground flaxseed. 1 tablespoon. And I'm adding my oatmeal. It's 1/4. And I'm gonna okay, let me go over here. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. If you want less, you can do it, but I'm adding 1 teaspoon. And I'm making my smoothie with coconut milk. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, guys. Go down. Okay, smoothie's done. It's delicious. Thick. Here we go, guys. It's delicious. I'm gonna taste from my cup. It is so good. And I like to put some my walnut in it. I like to have that little bite when I'm drinking. So a little walnut. Okay, that's my breakfast smoothie. Blueberry, pineapple, and banana. Oatmeal. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for coming into my home. Have a great day. God bless you. Take care.